Okay, I got another straight to the point video here. I started my Whirlpool dryer up last night and it's running fine, it just doesn't heat. So I took the back of it off and you can see I use a nut driver, take out the screws, fairly simple all the way around. Here's the back here. Pretty easy, cleaned it all out. And when these things stop heating up, two of the main things that you can look at are the thermal fuse, which I took the wires of it off already so I can test it and show you how to test it, and the element here, these two prongs here. This is the only one that hooks to it. This one hooks by way of a sleeve here that goes up to this connector here. But I'm going to show you how to test it. I got a continuity tester, got it set to that continuity test. And what you do is you'll put the two leads on here and you'll see that if it's good, you're going to get, one second. You hear that? That means it's good. And then I'm going to go over here and test it on here. I'm getting nothing. So there's a break in my element somewhere. So I'm not getting anything on there. So that tells me right there that the element is interrupted, most likely broke. So I already have these loosened up. Take these off. Take this off. And these screws coming out, I've already got them loosened up. Two screws, one on each side. One on this side. And that slips right out. Of course, I've had it out before because I knew the element was broke. But just to show you all, this is the element that was in it. And you can actually see the break right there. It's broke. But I was able to test it last night when I was taking it apart just to see. And I looked up the part from the manufacturer number on the internet. And actually, I typed it into Amazon, and wouldn't you know, wonderful Amazon has the full part. I think it was like 35 bucks. And they shipped it overnight. It comes with everything that you need. So, be able to slip right back in there. Same way. Put the screws in. Hook the connectors back up. Should be good to go. That's straight to the point.